And this tree is still here, Terrell. Take a look right behind me. Pretty large tree landing on not just one, but two homes. City inspectors had to come out, assess the damage of these homes, make sure they were structurally sound before they let everybody back inside. It happened late last night here in the 1700 block of West 101st Street. A large tree snapped from strong winds and slammed onto the homes, causing damage not just to the main house, but to the one next door.
It fell down, hit his house, took a big chunk out of the front, and it hit our roof. And we're going to need a new roof and some drywalling on the inside. But everybody's fine, nobody's hurt.
We understand the fire department transported one person to Christ Hospital. City inspectors did come out to take a look. They deemed the homes were okay to go back inside. This morning, homeowners are waiting for daylight for their insurance companies to come in and assess the damage. Back to you.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.